Introducing the new Yahoo Mail, designed so you can keep your inbox and your life more organized than ever. With a cleaner look, personalized color themes, and streamlined features, now it's easier to stay on top of the things that matter most. We created Views, a smarter way to browse, share, and quickly view photos and documents. It's a faster way to get the email it was attached to. Yahoo Mail has refined the way you can search. Now you can enter contacts and keywords at the same time to find what you're looking for quickly and simply. With the new Yahoo Mail, you can navigate everything you've done and have the power to plan what you're doing next. And say it with style. Try the new Yahoo Mail today. Innovation in your inbox.